Let's go, y'all. Let's go. This needs to be fast. Don't hang out in the hip too long. Be fast. Chest to deck, Ben. Chest to deck. There you go. Six box jumps. Let's go. 8 push-ups. There you go, Mike. Knees up, Liz. Good. Right to it, Mike. Pick it up. Pick it up. It's only 4. Go to work, Ben. Come on. Up. Nice job, Danny. Let's go. Good, good, good. Hit it, Ben. Right to it, baby. That's the easy part. Get up there, Mike. Come on. Good. Nice job, Danny. Keep it up, girl. Come on, come on, come on. 5 rounds. It'll be fast. You got to push. 5 rounds. You got to push. Go right to work. Let's go, let's go. Get it, Mike. Good, Ben, come on. You're good, brother. Go ahead. Let's go, Ben. Knock him out. All the way down, chest to deck. There you go. Final one, Ben. Let's go. Final rep. It's only 4, baby. Pick it right back up. Let's go. Get it. Let's go.